Hello friends and welcome back to Ekumid Help YouTube channel. So as you can see in this video, I'm going to talk about how to install Eclipse IDE and setup. So basically before going to start Eclipse installation, I would like to tell you what is exactly an Eclipse. So Eclipse is a integrated development environment, and that development environment we can use to write our program, compile the code and see the output, everything in this software. So you don't have to do manually writing a code into the notepad and compiling from the command prompt specifically for Java. So Eclipse IDE provide support for many languages, but here in this video we are gonna install for Java development. So what you need to do, first you'll have to verify whether you have a Java setup is properly or not. So for this you'll have to go to command prompt, go to run command and type cmd, and here you'll have to type java hyphen version, java space hyphen version. So once you click on this, you can see Java 11 installed in my system, and I am using a 64-bit machine. This you can see 64-bit machine. If you don't know how to install Java, you can click on the I button and see the Java setup installation video. Now come to this link. This is the link where you can download the Eclipse IDE and download from Korea, the nearest location that has this location. And this is the zip file. You can see 64-bit machine, as I am using 64-bit machine. And once you click on download, the download is started. You can see thank you for downloading Eclipse. And the moment you click, it start downloading here. So as of now, I just want to cancel it because I already downloaded this file. I'll attach this link in the description so that you guys can use to download this. So once your download is completed, go to that download folder. Here you can see I have this downloaded file. Now this is a zip file. You have to extract this file. So you click on the extract all. Once you click on extract all, you'll get this file. Inside this, you have a Eclipse folder, right? Now you need to go to this Eclipse. This is a type of application. Make sure you click on Eclipse, not this Eclipse C and Eclipse. This Eclipse, double click on this one. So once you click on this one, it will start Eclipse IDE, okay? So first time it will take a few minutes to do the setup. And here the best part is you don't have to install anything. This is a zip file, everything you just have to do the start development. So now first you'll have to select the workspace. So you can see this is my C drive location, and it will create a workspace with a name Eclipse-workspace. You can change with name like Java for beginners or something like Ekumid Help. So as per your convenience, you can create a name with here and click on launch. So once you click on launch, you can see a starting Eclipse IDE. So it will start within a few seconds. It won't take too much time. And like once this Eclipse setup is done, we will start writing our program in Eclipse itself. Okay, now you can see, let me maximize this. Now you can see this is the welcome page you'll get. So what you need to do, you just have to close this page. After closing this page, your view is something like this. So this is your project explorer. and something outline task this is. So first of all, you go to this file menu, go to new, go to project and select Java project and give it a name, like I'm just giving Java for, okay, so let me give name Java for beginners. And then you'll have to select, these are, you just keep it default, don't you need to do anything. Click on next. Now you can see Java for beginners, this is your project is here created, and inside this you can see a src folder that is called source folder. You just have to click on finish. It will ask out create a module info.java. You can skip this one, don't create, okay. Open perspective, yes, and click on finish. So once you click on finish, you can see this Java project, Java for beginners project is created, and this has a JRE along with this source folder. In this source folder, you have to click a right click on this folder and go to new and go to this class. And here you can provide the name of the class, like right now let me put a name test. And then you can select the public static void main, this method, which method or sub would you like to create. So let's just click on this checkbox. And for the time being, you can see this default use of the default package is discouraged. So for the time being, just keep this name com.aqmwdhelp help. I will explain about this package after some time. And then you have to click on finish. Once you finish this one, you can see a source, inside source, you can see this com.aqmid help is created, and inside this a test is your public class created, and that has a main method. So those who don't know about this, you can join my Telegram channel. I have recently started one Java session for beginners. So I am explaining all the terms in that class. So once you have this in your place, what you need to do, just write system, system dot out dot print ln, and in this print ln you just write a message, hello Java. Once you're done with that, just click on the save button here. After that, go to this file run test.java and click on this run. So once you're done with this, you can see the output here, hello Java. So in this same, a single IDE, you have created a project, you have created your class, and you can see the output, everything. So everything is so simple. You don't need to go to the notepad, write a command, create to compile it and everything. So to make your life easy, we have IDE like Eclipse and few more IDEs available. But for this video, in this video tutorial series, we will be using Eclipse IDE only. If you have any comment or suggestion, you can write below. If you have any doubts, you can write below, comment it out, and join my Telegram channel where you can attend a free Java session for beginners. Thank you so much, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.